Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Amazon Associate without a website, or how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program without a website. Now here is a simple way on how you can do that. Okay, the first thing you need to do is just need to search on Google for Amazon Associate. Okay, so after that guys, you want to click on the first website. Okay, this one is amazon.com. Don't click on that. You want to click where it says amazon.com associates. Now it will take you guys to this page, as you can see here. Now for most people, they are stuck here because they don't have a website. Now I'm going to be showing you guys a simple solution for this problem. Now you want to click on sign up, and it will take you guys to this page. Here it will show you guys your address, your phone number, your zip code, where you live. Okay, now here it gives you guys two different options. The pay year listed above, that's what I'm going to select. Okay, like most people, they are going to select the first one. Then click next. Here where it asks you guys for your website, here is a trick. It says here listed all the top level websites and mobile apps on which you plan to display banners, widgets, special links. Like focus on these special links. Now you can give them your YouTube channel, even if you don't have a YouTube channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can do that right now. Now you want to go, for example, to YouTube. Okay, search for your channel. For example, I'm going to search for my channel. It's called Muhammad How, for example. Shopify. I'm going to search for this. Okay, then I'm going to, let me just give me guys a few seconds. Okay, this one, for example, all new switch. This is not my channel. Okay, this is my friend's channel, but I can use it. I can just copy the URL in the top right. Okay, and then Ctrl+C, just copy it, or copy it manually, copy, and then you can give them that. Here you can give them your YouTube channel and then click add. Okay, and that's it. Okay, you want to add here your YouTube channel. You can ask your friend, hi, I'm going to use your YouTube channel so that I can sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. They're going to say yes, and then you can use that. Okay, as you can see here, you just need to give them, like I said, your YouTube account, and then you will check guys what you do here so that they can approve you guys quickly. Now if you want to, for example, this channel is all about how you can make money online, how you can do stuff like that. So we can easily make like Amazon approve our application, because they think that we are going to promote, for example, ebooks, like some digital products, stuff like that. Okay, so you don't even have to have videos here. You can just have a channel with like 2 videos that you upload right now, and then you can give them that YouTube channel. Click next, and then it says here, are any of the traffic sources listed above directed primarily at children under 30? No. I'm going to select no, and then confirm, and here you can just add here your preferred associate store ID. You can come up with anything here. Okay, and then he tell us about the content you create. You just need to tell them about the channel that you have linked, that you copied the link and you pasted it, and here you just need to, for example, I make videos about making money online. I make videos about making money online, stuff like that. Just need to explain what this channel is about. Which of the following best describes your content? For example, I want to just say, for example, search. Okay, how did you hear about us? You know, just for Amazon.com website or word of mouth. You don't really need to make this. You just need to come up with a random answer here. For example, blog post. Okay, and then just enter here the captcha, which is these numbers here and these words. That's G5HHN. Now that's it guys, and I click finish. That's it guys. Okay, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure you click or you check out this box. You agree to terms and conditions of associate program operating agreement. that's it. Okay, hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.